Yo, what's good? It's your boy Rico coming at you with some Black Ops 3 gameplay. As I said in my last video, that 2K shit type dead right now. Nobody really want to play that game. The speed boosting, they took that shit out. I mean, the speed boosting shit, like it made the game more fun. You feel me? For the simple fact that the dribble combinations that you do with your ISO size up cross and escape and all that, them shit is trash. You feel me? So the speed boost gave like, you know, gave the game a little bit more, you know, made it more exciting. People, you know, got accustomed to the fucking dribbling and shit. So now everybody that used to speed boost and stage and shit, now they don't. I'm not saying they suck, you feel me, but they were better before. And I'm sorry about my voice right now. As I said, I was sick. Cannot get rid of this cold for some reason. Do not know why, but yeah. That 2K shit dead, and I might be. For my next video, I'm gonna upload a gameplay on patch 6. Probably playing with my center, if not playing with my 6'6" point guard. My center at 88, no badges, but I don't really think that my center needs badges. I be horsing niggas, and I can shoot and everything fine without badges. I might get some badges for him though, like on the low, because like, I hate missing wide open threes and shit. Like sometimes I do miss them at like top of the key and stuff. Feel me? But I understand that because it's an outside center, so it's not supposed to make everything. Yeah, but back to the gameplay. I'm using right now. Currently, I'm using the M8. I think that's what it's called in this game. I'm not sure. I do not play this game like that. But in BO2 it's called the M8. I guess you guys could say I'm not playing OBJ at all. I do not care about the objective because, like, as you see, I do not play with my friends. This is my Wavy account though. Like, if y'all want to fuck with my Black Ops, like y'all want to fuck with Black Ops, y'all gotta hit me up on my Wavy account. I do not fuck with my Rico account on anything but 2K. For 2K17, I will be using my Rico Swindle account. If not, make another account. Yeah, but that shit gonna be lit. You feel me? I hope 2K17 they don't fuck it up. You feel me? Because I want them niggas to do some dumb shit on 2K17, mess up the whole fucking game, like they did to 2K16. 2K16 right now. As far as that goes, I might, as I said, I might come up with some new gameplay. Probably today I'll probably go for some gameplay on patch 6. I barely play the game anymore because like I'm not good at playing point guard anymore. Not because I guess you could say I'm shit without speed boosting. It's not really that. It's just that the game speed is trash, and like, you feel me, they took out the speed boost, which made me be able not to dribble for the simple, not because I'm trash, because how you gonna put speed boosting in the whole year, right? You put it in the whole year, and then you take it out, I think it was month 8 that the game is out. Like, you don't do that. Like, everybody got accustomed to it, and now everybody gotta, you know, unadjust and fucking stop speed boosting. You feel me? Now we gotta learn how to do like all the other shit, like fucking, alright, Jamal Crawford, fucking Curry escape. You feel me? Like shit like that. Like, nobody wants to do that. You feel me? Nobody wants to do that. Guard. I use the guard one cross still. I think still that's the most effective one, but only because it creates space like a crossover, like a crossover would in 2K16. Like if you flick it, you know, to the left or to the right, it would like create like, you know, a wide space. You would get a lot of space off of it. But currently, yeah, I'm gonna play on my center. I'm gonna get some gameplay today. I might upload that tomorrow. Cause I'm trying to do 1 video a day. I'm not trying to go for 2. I'm not trying to spam this shit up. You feel me? I'm gonna keep y'all entertained though. Deadass. I'm gonna be posting mostly every day, at least one time a video. Like every day, at least 1 video a day. Yeah, but I'm gonna be playing this Black Ops 3 shit too. I might come out with some GTA gameplay. Feel me? Cause as I said, I don't play Black Ops 3 like that. I mean, I'm pretty good at it for a person that doesn't play it all the time. Like this, this was my first time playing in like playing online, like playing online in like a good 2 months, I would say, like. But right now, I think I'm a prestige 1, some shit like that. I barely play this game, you feel me? I see a lot of prestige masters, they be doing the glitch and shit, but I don't want to do that. That's dumb. It's not, prestige master isn't really something to be excited about, you feel me? I just play the game, but my KD currently is a 2.32, I think, and my win-loss is a 1.09. It's not the best stats, but I do not play with anybody. I play by myself. That's the only reason why. I have full parties when it comes to 2K, but when it comes to Call of Duty, I do not. I don't really like pay mind to it. You feel me? My KD, that's just from me fucking playing the game all the time. Like, not all the time. You feel me? Just me playing the game, like just playing. You feel me? Just fucking around with it. I do not dashboard. That shit is dead. You feel me? I do not care about this game enough to fucking dashboard for KD and win loss, etc. My score per minute, I think, is a 4. I usually play like team deathmatch and shit, cause I don't play with full parties and I hate taking L's. You feel me? So if if I play on team deathmatch, most likely most of the time I will win the game because I'm usually on top of the leaderboard with at least 40 kills. I recently just started playing this game again. This game I recently just started it because 2K is boring. I have GTA, but that's boring too to me. At least in my opinion, it's kind of boring. I don't have a lot of friends that play the game. I have a hacked, well, not a hacked account, cause that shit went broke. But on PS3, when I used to have PS3, you know, all your information gets transferred or whatever. So yeah, I had I think it was called a DNS code or some shit that it was on PS3. And I used it with my friends. I had like $15 billion at a point on PS3. Then they came out with some patch, you feel me, and they fucked up the whole game. Some like, you know, patch, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. They left me with 50K, and you feel me, you ain't doing shit with 50K in GTA. Everybody knows that. Everybody that plays the game knows that. But I'm level 159, I think. And also, like, this is my Wavy account is my main account, but because it's my primary, it has my PlayStation Plus and all that. Like, I made my Rico Swindle account for Rivet. I end up meeting Zay, which is Swag Soul Ice, and Montrez MD. I met him first. He introduced me to the leader, and I ended up being an SCG. Yeah, so when that happened, I practically just fucking stopped. Like, I stopped playing on my Wavy account. But on this account, on this account, I'm a Legend 2. Yeah, Legend 2, halfway to Legend 3. From the rep boost, cause I was Legend 2, and then I got the rep boost and I hit Legend 3. Oh, well, I mean, I hit like halfway to Legend 3, not Legend 3. I mean, I don't like this account for 2K. My players are trash, cause I was a come up when I used to play on this account. But now I have much better players. I have a 99 guard on my Rico account, a 95 guard, a 6'2" is 99, 6'6" is a 95, I would say. Yeah, and my center's a 88, no badges, but my 6'2" has all the badges. My 6'6" has most of the badges except for Dimer and Posterizer, but he still be dunking on niggas. I might come out with a little short clip of me dunking on some nigga at the park. She was mad funny. I mean, dunking on people is easy for me, but I don't have Posterizer, and on top of that, I made this nigga, like, I didn't break his leg, because I have done that. I broke somebody's leg when I 360'd on him on my Wavy account, but I didn't get to save the clip, or else I would have definitely showed y'all. But my Rico Swindle account, I dunked on the nigga, and nigga felt like the way he fell was so funny. But yeah, this video coming to an end, so see y'all niggas next time.
Mickey on the track.